game.
It's a Mario game for what? What do you play it on?
Yeah, bring it here so it doesn't get broke. I don't know. I think that's for the Wii.
Is it for the Wii?
No, it's for the DS.
I don't know.
What are you doing with a DS game if you don't have a DS?
I said 3D DS.
You gotta keep opening presents. Maybe it's in there.
Wow.
Right up.
Huh?
This is the one that. Oh, you do? What is this?
Another hamster thing?
What is that?
A fighting hamster thing?
Fighting hamster thing?
Yes.
Did you get enough of those yet?
No.
No. Basso.
Dog hamster.
Let's see.
You mean?
Oh, it says Special Forces HQ.
Look.
It's a place for your hamster to hang out.
Yes. 2, 1, 5. I'll be my DS. Ready? Red and black.
Where are you going? I had 2 more eating and opening presents to go.
Don't watch TV. Open your present. Hey, open your present.
Another hamster round.
How many of those things did you get?
Oh my gosh. No, it's not.
Mommy got what she wanted. That massaging
Wheel of
cushion.
Fire.
Wheel of fire?
Yeah.
How
Sweet.
Careful. That's what it says. It's a hamster-powered training wheel.
So you can drive it?
No, your hamsters get in it and they run.